How to print from your laptop at Dalhousie. Feel free to skip ahead to any one section in this tutorial. The fastest way to get to this software is by Googling Dal Print. Click on the Copying and Printing link. Scroll down and you'll see a price list for printing. It's usually 10 cents a page for a single-sided black and white page. Scroll further down and click on here under the Printing from your laptop heading. This takes you to the PaperCut software where you'll need to sign in with your NetID and password. I've bookmarked this page so that it's easy to find in the future. Log in. You'll need to have money on your Dal card in order to use this service. You can see your balance here. To print, click on Web Print on the left-hand side. Then click Submit a Job. Here's a list of printers at Dalhousie, their names and locations. I'm often working on the second floor of the Killam Library, so I know to automatically go to the second page and choose the Dal KILULC option. If you're wondering which printer option to choose, you can look to the top right-hand corner of the printer station screen at this handy label. If I'm not in the library, I'm usually in the management building, otherwise known as the row building. So I look for the row building under locations, and I click on it. With this printer in particular, you have the option to print in color or in black and white, as indicated in the printer name. In this way, you can use the printer names and locations to find the printer that you need. Click on Print Options and Account Selection. Enter the number of copies you'd like to print. Click Upload Documents, then upload your file. Currently, selecting single or double-sided printing is not an option when printing from a laptop. Your document will print either single or double-sided depending on the particular printer's configurations. If you require single or double-sided printing, it's best to print from a Dalhousie computer so that you can specify your requirements. You'll see a list of file types supported here. Open document formats are not supported, for example, .odt files. Since I use OpenOffice, I needed to export my file to a PDF before uploading it. It's as simple as that. Then click Upload and Complete.